Okay, so this is my MacBook Pro. Now, it overheats. Not too sure why, but thermal paste, even though I replaced it only like a month or two ago, it's already gone bad, even after using all sorts of stuff to ramp up the fan earlier on that. So today I'm going to open it, I'm going to give it some better thermal paste because the other one was a bit cheaper. Hopefully it will last longer in this laptop because I really don't want to keep opening it. There is no vent or anything like that here. Like the fan is right there. There should be a vent, but Apple didn't add one and they never have. So it just gets really hot because there's nowhere to take in cool air from inside the laptop. This is a mid-2012 one, by the way. Mid-2012 13-inch, not the late 2012 one. Those ones were way better. I only have this. Oh yeah, and this laptop also has an i5 and 8 gigs of RAM. The big reveal. Now we basically need to pull apart this entire motherboard. So that means taking out all of the motherboard screws, all of these connectors, everything, just to get to the actual CPU and to replace the thermal paste. I've done this probably like 2 times before. Got all the motherboard screws out. Just need to get this fan here. It doesn't look too dirty. Seems okay. Like, yeah, there's maybe a bit of dust. It's not anything that I need to clean out though. It'll probably be fine. Now I just need to disconnect all these tiny little connectors and big connectors around the board. The one that scares me the ones that scare me the most are these ones down here. This tiny little ribbon cable. Basically need to go like a screwdriver and just like pull it out, but very carefully not to break it because otherwise your keyboard's probably not going to work or something like that. Now the battery connector. Oh, I probably should have done this before. Completely forgot about it, but that's okay. That's out. And the display cable. Ooh, be very careful. This is a small connector. Okay, I think this board is ready to take out. You need to kind of wiggle it out. And here, you need to be a bit daring kind of as well. You need to just pray you don't break anything. Okay, get that around. There we go. Ooh. Come out nicely, please. Yes. There we go. The board is free. We need to unscrew over here, and that's where it will get us to our CPU. Okay, here's our motherboard. Now we just need to take off the heatsink and clean up the thermal paste and put some new stuff on. Need to hold these like together and put them aside. Let's take it off. Thermal paste. Why is there like nothing on the inside? Maybe I tightened it down too much, maybe. Maybe you need to tighten it down less. Cause that looks fine, but like there's nothing in the middle there. So I'll go clean it up. Everything's been cleaned off. Now I just need to reassemble. Now I just need to reinstall this, but I'm gonna put less pressure when installing. Okay, that looks good. I really hope this fixes it. Let's reinstall the board. I want to be very careful. There we go. Let's bring this motherboard back around. I never recommend this unless you're actually somewhat experienced like me. Okay, board's set up to go back in now. We need to screw in every single screw. Last screw for the board. Now it's time to put in the fan. Okay, so everything's complete. Now we just need to plug this fan in. And put on the top casing, screw it in, and we're done. The foam paste has been replaced.